Time to get in chef mode. Now that I got my apron on and I'm in chef mode, we finna make these protein bagels. And when I tell you they're good, they're amazing. Like, I make them so much. I'm in love with them. Do you see this? I use these as plant containers now. That's why they look a little badinky, a little dirty. But I use them as plant containers, and I'm obsessed with these bagels. No more talking, more doing. Let's get to it. He gonna help me cook because I am not gonna do this all by myself. First, I'm gonna start off by adding 2 cups of this unbleached bread flour. Next, I'm gonna add in a half teaspoon of this salt. Now, out of this very tiny bag of baking soda, I am going to add 1 teaspoon into my mix. Now that the basic dry ingredients are in here, I am going to add in some everything seasoning mix because I'm going to make everything bagels. With everything seasoning, you got to be careful because it get a little salty up in there. So don't overdo it. Once the dry ingredients are mixed, you're gonna go ahead and add in your lactose-free, or get the one with lactose in it if you like lactose. But me, I do the lactose-free protein yogurt. So I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups. Now I'm just gonna fold the flour right on top of the yogurt, and it's so soft, like it feels like a marshmallow. No, it's softer than a marshmallow. It feels like a pillow. Like feathers, which is so weird because we're making bagels. Okay, let's not think about it too much. And I'm just gonna do this until I form one big dough ball. All right, so you can see the dough ball forming, and you don't wanna overdo it to where it's like overly sticky. So this is good for me. I'm gonna leave it just like this. And another thing you can also do is knead it on the counter, but I just left it in a glass bowl. All right, so this is my dough ball, baby. This is how it looks. I am going to take my scale and I'm gonna weigh it, and then I'm gonna make 6 protein bagels from this ball here. So this is 668 grams. I'm gonna divide that by 6, and then I'm gonna start putting the sections on this plate here. Now that I have them all formed into equal sizes, I'm just gonna roll them a little bit again, and I'm gonna start making my bagel shape. Stab a hole right through the middle and just ring it around. Now the shapes ain't gonna always be perfect, but just try to make them look like something rather than, you know, just plain old, plain old. I don't even know where I'm going, but y'all get what I'm going. Y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna roll it, shape them, poke a hole right through the middle, ring it around, and then try to make it look a little better than how it looks right now. My second one. Right now, I'm just gonna throw these right into this swimming pool for about 30 seconds, take them out, put them over here. Once they're right on the tray, I'm gonna top them with everything bagel seasoning, and then after that, I'm gonna throw it right in the oven. These are so sticky, I should have kept my gloves on. What I'm doing right now is opening them up just a little bit more. You don't have to do this, but I want the circle to actually show when I take them out the oven. So yeah, and I'm actually burning my little fingers up doing this. So be careful if you do decide to do that. Just a little bit more for good luck, because you gotta have good luck when you're cooking. You just have to. These look so good. Oh my gosh. You ain't helped me, so I can't give you any. I asked you to help me, you bailed on me, T. No, I'm not giving you a, oh hell, Blaze, get down. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I got some important business to take care of, so I gotta hurry up and wrap this up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, anything, please be sure to leave it down below. I'll be sure to answer them. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I post a new video. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you on my next one.